How to add RFID card to iPhone. So if you want to add the RFID card to your iPhone, then you just need to simply have the following things. You need to have an iPhone 6s or later, or an Apple Watch Series 3 or later. The latest version of iOS or the latest version of Watch OS should be updated, and you need to be signed in on your device with an Apple ID, a participating employer, an application provided by your employer, your employee credentials. Unfortunately, this process requires a third party app. So head over to the App Store and search for an app like Card NFC for iPhone. Install the chosen application and follow its instructions to add your RFID card by scanning or manually entering the details. After setup, you may tap the iPhone or Apple Watch to emulate the RFID card signal through the app. Adding an employee badge to your Apple Wallet automatically allows you to use your phone as a badge by holding your phone against a compatible reader. You can also do this with some student IDs, boarding passes, and digital keys to access the door or car. But simply note one thing, that this method may not be compatible with all the other RFID cards. And make sure to check that your smartphone support the RFID or not. If it supports, then you can simply go and do this process. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.